Welcome back to the channel. It's Joe Wiesner Realty, with a just listed home of the day here in Waterford Works, New Jersey, and that is in Winslow Township. It's the 08089 zip code. We have 19 Mauriello Drive. We've got a really nice house to share with you. For more information on the property, you could visit the link in the description below, and that'll show you all pictures and give you a beautiful description, and you can get more info on this one. Let's check it out inside. 19 Mauriello is a colonial style home built in 1978. We have the original owner here. She's put in some new windows throughout the house, and everything is nice and neat. As you can see, you got the big formal living room, you got the traditional dining room. It empties into your fully functional kitchen here, which is an eat-in kitchen, which a lot of these properties don't have that. So you have a nice seating area here. You see it's very comfortable for 4 people to sit. Then you have another auxiliary living space here. This is a very large family room. You can see that you could have a really large sectional couch here, put your big screen TV wherever you want. Plenty of room here. It's a huge room. Got this really nice slider here that takes you out to the backyard. This house is a corner property. What's nice about it is there's nobody to the east of you at all. And you have this huge expanse that's all fenced in. So plenty of privacy, plenty of security, and just imagine, the kids and some of the adults playing wiffle ball out here. You got all the fencing, everything's nice and neat. You got some electric back there. And then of course, to the western corner, you have your air conditioning condenser. Right off of the family room, we have a large 2-car garage here. This is oversized. It's got plenty of room to store items above, and you can see it's got plenty of space. You also have extra storage for your goodies along that wall. You got a half bath, everything that you think it needs. And then going down, we have a full basement. Since the installation of the drain system, which you can see down here along the perimeter wall, no water, which is nice. There was also a correction made to this wall. The seller has the paperwork on all of that. You have newer water tank, pump, and water filter there. This is a Rheem HVAC system. This was installed approximately 10 years ago, so the HVAC system is newer. It's got the steel pole columns here for excellent support, washer, dryer, everything in good shape down here. And making our way upstairs, you have this nice composite flooring here in the foyer. We have 3 bedrooms up here, and they're serviced by a full bath. This big bedroom here, we'll call this bedroom number 3. Really in good shape, beautiful, relaxing sage color in here. Love that. Make your way down the corridor, you got a linen closet. Bedroom number 2, seller's using it as a home office. You could use it as a nursery. Bedroom number 3, whatever you wanted to do. And then this would be the master bedroom. This is a huge expanse. Who doesn't love this relaxing mauve pink color here in this master bedroom? Then you circle around and you have his and her closets right here, and it spills into the full bathroom here. Nice tile, renovated not too long ago. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you for coming back and visiting us again. And hopefully we're giving you the value of these brand new listings as they come out. It gives you a real advantage in the market by knowing when these come out, gives you the opportunity to bid first on them. And if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe just so that you're up to date and you'll get alerts when we do list new properties, which is almost daily now. This property is a really nice property here in a very quiet section, Waterford Works section of Winslow Township. 3 beds, 1.5 baths. It's got a huge backyard, all fenced in, perfect for your outdoor activities, entertaining, barbecue. It's got 1,819 square feet, full basement, and 2 family rooms, dining room, a lot of public areas where you could entertain and just let your life unfold. Make your appointment, give us a call here at this number if you want your own private tour by a Joe Wiesner agent. And I hope to see you at the settlement table.